Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we were discussing about Roman numerals where we had seen how to write Roman numerals for given numbers. Okay. Today we are going to solve exercise question. So let's start. So here we have question number 1, 4. We have 8879. 8879. As I told you in last class, first you have to write this in expanded form. Okay, so this will be 8000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 9. Now we have to write numerals for each number. Okay, so first we will write for 8000. Now how we will write 8000? So first we have to write 8, and for 8 V I. Okay, value of V 5 and I is repeating 3 times. That means 1 is going to multiply by 3. When we multiply we will get 3. So 5 plus 3 8. Okay, 5 plus 3 8. You know the rule. If the smaller value symbol is written right side, just right side of higher value symbol, in that case there will be addition. Okay, so we have to add 5 plus 3, then we will get 8. Okay, then we have to give this bar sign just above the numeral. Okay, just over the Roman numeral for 8. Okay, then this 8 will be multiplied by 1000. Okay, then we will get 8000. Understood? Now come to this 800. Now how we will write 800? 500 plus 300. First you expand this 800 like this, then we have separate symbol for 500. Now how we will write 300? So we have separate symbol for 100 C, and if we write 3 times C, that means the value of C 100, and this is repeating how many times? 3 times. So when we multiply 3 times we will get 300. Okay, 300. And D is higher value symbol and C is smaller value symbol. That means here smaller value symbol is written just right side of higher value symbol. That means there will be addition. 500 plus 300. What we will get? 800. Clear? So we can write for 800 D C C C. 500 plus 300. Clear? Now we have to write for 70. 70 we can write like this. 50 plus 20. Okay, for 50 we have separate symbol L, and 20 we can write X. Okay, value of X 10, and 10 is repeating how many times? 2 times. So this will be multiplied by 2. So when we multiply we will get 20. Okay, so 50 plus 20 70. Okay, so we can write LXX. This is smaller value symbol is written just right side of higher value symbol. That means there will be addition. And for 9 we can write IX. Clear to you? For 9 we can write IX. According to rule of subtraction also you can write. First you write 10 X, then I. Okay, value of X 10 minus value of I 1, 9. Okay, if a smaller value symbol is written just left side of higher value symbol, then there will be subtraction. Okay, 10 minus 1 9. Clear? So here we got the Roman numeral for each numbers. Now we have to combine. When we combine we will get here bar over V I, then D C C C L X X I X. This is the answer for this question. Clear? Now we have 10,025. So first we have to write in expanded form. So we'll get here 10,000 plus 20 plus 5. 10,000 plus 20 plus 5. Okay, first we have to write the Roman numeral for 10,000. Okay, 10,000. So this we can write like this: X bar over X, value of X 10, and here we have given bar. That means the 10 will be multiplied by 1000. Okay, when we multiply we'll get 10,000. Okay, now come to this 20. How will write 20? We can write x, value of x 10. Okay, and x is repeating how many times? 2 times. So this 10 will be multiplied by 2. When we multiply we'll get 20. Clear? Now we'll write for 5. Okay, so we have separate symbol for b, separate symbol for 5, and that is what? b. Okay, now we have to combine. So after combining we will get power over x b. This is the Roman numeral for 10,025. Clear? Now question number 6, 15,675. First we have to write in expanded form. So expanded form will be 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. Okay, now 10,000 we can write like this, bar over x, just now we have seen. Now we have to write for 5,000. Okay, so first we will write 5, and we have separate symbol for 5, v, and we'll give bar sign. Okay, here that means 5 is going to multiply, or 5 will be multiplied by 1000. When we multiply we'll get 5,000. Clear? Now we have to write 600. We can write like this, 500 plus 100. Okay, so we have separate symbol for 500, and 400 we have c. Okay, 400 we have c, and c is the smaller value symbol, and retain just right side of higher value symbol. That means there will be addition. Okay, so 500 plus 100, 600. So we will write DC here. Okay, now we have to write 70. How will write 70? 50 plus 20. So we have separate symbol for 50, and how will write? We will write 20 x. We will repeat how many times? 2 times. Value of x 10, and here we are repeating 2 times. Okay, that means 10 into 2, 20. Okay, and this is smaller value symbol, and retain just right side of higher value symbol. That means there will be addition. So 50 plus 20, 70. So we can write LXX. Clear? Now for 8, V, 5, and I is repeating here 3 times. That means 1 into 3, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Clear? So when we combine we'll get power over XB, D, C, L, X, X, B, I. This is the Roman numerals for 15,678. Clear? Now how to write number for given Roman numeral. So here we have the example, as you can see on the screen, M, C, M, X, 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 I. Okay, so this is the Roman numeral, and for this we have to write number. Okay, so first let me tell you, here you can see I, X and C are used to subtract. That means wherever is I, X and C, there will be subtraction. Okay, now let me come to that particular slide. Now here you can see we have first M, then C, then M. So C we have, as I shown you in the slide, I, X and C. Wherever is I, X and C, there will be subtraction. Okay, and this is the smaller value symbol, and retain just left side of this M. That means the value of C we have to subtract from value of this M. Before that we will write the value of this M, and the value of M is 1000. Okay, now come to this part, CM. Okay, now C is written just left side of the higher value symbol, and the value of M we have 1000, and the value of C 100. So 100 will multiply from 1000. Okay, so 1000 minus 100, when we subtract we'll get 900. Clear? Now come to here, X, and X is repeating how many times? 3 times. Okay, now take X, and the value of X you know very well, 10, and this is repeating how many times? 3 times. So this will be multiplied by 3. When we multiply, we'll get 30. Okay. Now finally we have I, then take I, and the value of I is 1. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to add all the numbers. That means 1000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 1. Okay, so we got here 1931. This is the value, this is the number of this given Roman numeral. Clear to you? Now we have another example. So MCIX. Okay, so first you will write the value of M. Now come to this part. So first let me tell you IXC. Wherever is this I, X and C, there will be subtraction. Okay, but according to rule of subtraction, if the smaller value symbol is written just left of its higher value symbol, in that case there will be subtraction. But here you can see we have a smaller value symbol in right side. Okay, that means the C is not just left side of higher value symbol. Okay, so separately we have to take C. Clear to you? C is written just left side of smaller value symbol, not higher value symbol. That's why subtraction will not be there. Clear to you? So separately I am taking here C, and the value of C you know very well, 100. Now come to this part. This is I, this is I, and you know very well, if I is there, that means there will be subtraction. Now we have to see the right side whether we have the greater value symbol or not. Yes, X is greater than I, so there will be subtraction. Clear? So now take this IX. So value of X you know very well, 10, and value of I 1. So when we subtract, you get 9. Okay. Now we have to add all the number. 1000 plus 100 plus 9. When we add, we will get 1109. This is the number for this given Roman numeral. Okay. Now we have another example. CDXLVI. CDXLVI. Clear? Now here you can see we have C, and this is smaller value symbol. After C we have D. Okay, and D is higher value symbol. Okay, and C is written just left of higher value symbol. That means there will be subtraction. So take this one, CD. So value of D you know very well, 500 minus value of C, 100. When you subtract, you will get 400. Clear? Now take XL. Okay, XL. Now here you can see X is written just left side of higher value symbol. The value of L 50 and the value of X 10. So there also subtraction. Okay, so now take this one, XL. 50 minus 10. The value of L 50 and the value of X 10. When we subtract, we will get 40. Now take VI. Okay, now here you can see I is written just right side of higher value symbol. Okay, I is a smaller value symbol and written just right side of higher value symbol. Okay, so we have seen the slide rule of we have seen the rule of addition. If the smaller value symbol written just right of higher value symbol, in that case there will be addition. Okay, so we have VI. So value of V 5 plus value of I 1. Okay, when we add, we'll get 6. Finally we have to add all the number. 400 plus 40 plus 6. Okay, 446. This is the number for this Roman numeral. Okay, another example we have here, bar over xi d c c c x c I I. Okay, now we have to write the number for this given Roman numeral. Okay, so first we will take this one, bar over xi. So xi, the value of xi is 11, the value of x 10, and value of I 1, and I is the smaller value symbol and written just right of higher value symbol. In that case there will be addition. So when we add 10 plus 1, we will get 11, and bar is given on top. Okay, that means 11 is going to multiply by 1000. So when we multiply, we will get 11,000. Now come to this part D, and D is higher value symbol, and here you can see C is a smaller value symbol. That means there will be addition, but C, you can see C is repeating how many times? 3 times. Okay, so we will take this part now. D, C, C, C. Okay, so value of D you know very well, 500 plus value of C 100, and C is repeating how many times? 3 times. So 100 into 3, 300. So 500 plus 300, 800. Why? Because C is a smaller value symbol and written just right of D. Okay, so when we add, we'll get 800. Clear? Now XC. X is a smaller value symbol and written just left of higher value symbol. The value of C 100 and value of X 10. Okay, so now take this part. Value of C 100 and value of X 10. Okay, here you can see X is written just left of higher value symbol. That means there will be subtraction. So when we subtract, we'll get 90. Finally we have I. Now you take this I. So value of I 1, and this is repeating 2 times. So 1 into 2, 2. Finally we have to add this 11,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 2. When we add, we'll get 11,892. Okay, so children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.